The further we move on from all those yesterdays, happiness gets nearer. The light that we see closing in.
Hi, good night. This is Prexyll from Prexyll Vidz, and for this night we have a bonding with our friend together with Brad MTV, Prince Batangens, and Sir Marlon. So we are here in Jamzum, the highest or the tallest. You see that one? That is the tallest fountain of the world. You can only found here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And join us what we can do in this park, and later on we will continue such a long ride. So thank you for joining this journey.
Somewhere's a place where we can build our memories. Somewhere, just hold on tight.
It's very dark because it's Salah time. Now we are going to buy some coffee here. It's the store. We will choose a store from here to buy some coffee. The nice thing of this area is you can find many stores like this. They are selling coffees, foods, and also candies for the kids and toys.
We're free of what we lost. Not anything or anyone will hold us back, no matter what the cost. And I know somewhere
The temperature is very hot, but we try to have some coffee from here. Coffee latte.
just hold on tight, it'll be alright.
The weather is very hot, but we have some coffee. It's also good for make your mind alert and biking, especially nighttime.
Show me the way, show me the way. Show me a way to somewhere. Show me
The coffee and French fries is very good partner for snack, and we need carbohydrates for energy. So this it is. Sometimes this French fries, when you see it's huge, but because the design is like a cone, it is only very few, like maybe 1.5 or 1 potato for this one. Okay, so we will go and eat.
It's been you all along, but I've been too caught up to see it, baby. We can have it all if I just could get myself together. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the way.
We finished our snack, and now we are decided to go to albalad to check also that area. The challenge here is not too far, but we still don't know the road. We will try to search what is the best road and our journey this night. So join us in our travel to albalad.
Miles away, but you've been in my heart.
You can help improve these channels by clicking the like button, and also you can support us by clicking the subscribe button. And if you want the updates, you can click the notification bell.
Another minute.
We found also our friend here, one biker. He is Mustafa. So we will ride with him going to albalad. Hello, how are you? Thank you. we will see here Mr. Beans is very fast. We will try to continue finding this road to the albalad here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. The humidity is high in this day, and we will travel now about 4 to 5 kilometers starting from this area to albalad. Now it's 9:40 in the evening, but because of the high humidity and temperatures, it looks like we still 11 o'clock in the morning. But it is good and fine because this is a challenge, biking nighttime in this kind of weather. So we will continue to bike this one. So we found road bikers, and it's very fast also. The kind of racing over here. So we try to catch up. So we are in the bridge now, and see the beauty of the seaside. And right there with the violet building is the fish market here in Jeddah. Okay, we will continue.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
So this is the seaside of the fish market area, and many people gather here. Many times also they are fishing. So we still have about 2 kilometers, and we find the way already here in going to Balad.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold.
So this is the fish market nighttime, and we have one very beautiful building. From here is the violet color. Also in morning time you can see the rich boat from here.
This town, look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Dala ng yun nga yung box seat.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette.
About 10 meters and we will reach our destination to albalad.
It's my time. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
So at last we are here in albalad. This is the albalad in Jeddah, and it is marketplace. The meaning of albalad in Arabic is municipality or the government. It is the same. So we will buy some stuff from here, and later on we will decide we will go to our destination or returning to our home. We finished buying our things and now we are going home. And thank you again for joining us in our ride for this day. And this is Prexyll from Prexyll saying, leave your stress behind the road.